Thank you to all of our sponsors for making our Computex 2023 coverage possible. Hey everyone, we're here with HP and I want to talk to you about the portable SSD, the P900. So this is it. It's really small. It's actually smaller than some of the drives that we use when we're on the go. And that's kind of who this is aimed at, people who are maybe content creating or who are influencers, someone who needs portability but also speed. Generally, those two don't really go together. But HP have found a way through USB 3.2 Gen 2 by 2 to get up to 2000 megabytes a second read and write speeds out of these. So you're going to have unparalleled performance. It's going to be perfect, like I say, for those who are on the go, even someone like us. So I might actually be taking these home with me. They just don't know it yet. Now, it is available in 5 different colors. So we have got the black, like I just showed you. We've got silver, we've got gray, we've got pink, and we've got probably my favorite, the green. I actually really like this. It stands out. And I guess what they're trying to do is make a color that appeals to everyone, men, women, kids, whoever. Now, 3-year warranty on this. It is really light. It is, with the standard USB connection that we all have now come to love, because everyone hates USB Type A, right? You got to put it in, no, got to put it in, no, got to put it in. Oh, suddenly it works. Now, we have actually got on the screen the speeds of kind of what's going on through Crystal Disk Mark. And you can see read speeds, 2026 megabytes a second. We've got write speeds of 1700, 1800 almost. Obviously, depending on the use case scenario that you're actually using it with, will depend on sort of what speed you get, but you're gonna get up to 2000 megabytes a second. Now, capacity-wise, it is available in 512 gig, 1 terabyte, and 2 terabyte. And as I say, there are kind of a nice array of colors. Now, there is one honourable mention that I want to give, and that is to this one, which they won't on camera allow me to open it up, which is a bit frustrating, but this is kind of, I guess, a little bit of a tease of what's to come. Now, this is the P1000. Now, with this one, we are getting even faster speeds. It's USB 4, so we are getting speeds of up to 3700 megabytes a second on the sequential read. So yeah, some really cool stuff from HP here. Obviously, we have looked at quite a few HP products over the years, and I'm really excited to actually get these in, test them, see what they can do, and actually use them in our own life. So maybe even, at shows like this at Computex, where we need to put stuff on, onto a drive so we can edit on the go, that kind of thing. This is going to be the perfect product for it. So there you have it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and be sure to stay tuned for more Computex 2023 coverage, and I'll see you then. See you later, guys. Bye-bye.